Here's how you can use stacks in your Python coding project. A stack is a data structure that follows the last in, first out, or level principle. So the last item of a stack is the first one removed, like a stack of plates. You add new plates to the top and remove them from the top as well. Here's the first example. Let's say there's a single lane car park. The last car to enter is the first one that needs to exit, especially if there's only one way out. There are two cars here, one is a motorcycle, another is the SUV. We can demonstrate level with a list. The code is like this. We first create a list named garage, which is empty. And then we'll put the first car, which is a motorcycle, into the garage. Garage.insert a motorcycle. And then we'll print the garage. Shift enter. There we go. We can see that the motorcycle is now being placed into the garage, which is originally empty. Remember in list, the address of the first sale or the first item is 0. So right now we can put the SUV into the garage. Insert. Place at the first position is an SUV. Then we'll print the garage and see what's inside. Shift enter. There we go. The motorcycle is now being shifted to a deeper position in the single lane garage, followed by an SUV. To remove, we need to use pop. We'll first type garage.pop. We'll remove the last car, right? So pop 0, which is the SUV, and then we'll print garage and have a look at what's inside. Shift enter. There we go. The SUV has left the garage and it's left with the motorcycle. We can also remove the motorcycle by typing again garage.pop 0, which is the motorcycle right now, and then we have a look what's inside the garage. Shift enter. It's now empty. We can use another example here to illustrate. Let's say it's packing books. You're moving away and it's packing a room, and you have a bookshelf and are trying to fit the books into the box. You may put the books in alphabetical order into the box from a book starting in A to Z. So we have 3 books here. The first book is Animal Farm, starts with A. Brave New World starts with B. And Crime and Punishment starts with C. When you arrive at your new home with all your stuff, you begin unpacking. You first take out the book with the name beginning with the letter C, and then B, and then A. The book that's first placed into the box, which is Animal Farm, is taken out last. That's Philo. We can show this in Python. So we first create a box, which is an empty list. And then we'll put the first book, insert. The first book is Animal Farm, which starts with a letter A. And then we'll print out the box to see what's inside the box. Shift enter. Here goes the first book. Animal Farm starts with A. And then we can put the second book here. Box.insert 0. And then we have the Brave New World. And then we can print the box to see what's inside. Shift enter. Oops. There we go. Shift enter. There goes the second book. Brave New World. We can insert the third book. Which is the Crime and Punishment. Then have a look what's inside the box. Shift enter. There we go. The last book being put is Crime and Punishment, and then the Brave New World, and then the book being placed in the deepest in the box is animal farm, which starts with A. We can remove the book one by one. We choose this pop, box.pop 0. Have a look. Shift enter. As the book crime and punishment is placed into the box last, it will be firstly removed. And then we can remove the second book, which is again box.pop, and then print box. Shift enter. The second book is removed, and then the first book is remaining, and we will empty the box now. Pop again, print box. Shift enter. The box is now emptied. Now that you have learned Python stack, watch this video next to learn Python sets. See you there.